Japanese pancakes. Just pause it, get it together.
You want room temp egg whites. It helps.
And you can use any soda to do this. Some like Pepsi. And you got some milk. You put it right over there. Don't jump ahead or you gotta start over if you put it in the other bowl. So you got some vanilla. The vanilla to the bowl there. Baking powder, almond flour, and then it's all in the wrist. Almond flour cooks pretty fast at lower temperature, which comes into play because making these pancakes are a fucking nightmare.
Cream of tartar stabilizes the meringue. You could also use lemon or lime juice, and then you can put lime zest and have lime meringue pancakes.
Add sugar while whipping in thirds until you have stiff peaks. You see that? That's how much oil. Then you mix a third of your meringue into the batter, and then you gotta fold the second 2/3. Poach it for 6 minutes each side. Don't use parchment molds, just get a ladle. Ah shit. Ah shit. Ah shit. See, just that easy. Only took 8 attempts. Click and subscribe.